So the first step is to add some chopped apples. You don't have to core them. We're gonna add some sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. Here we've got 120 milliliters of water, half a tablespoon of cloves, half a cinnamon stick, half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and finally we're gonna grate some nutmeg. So once it's mixed, put it on medium-high heat. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer until the apples are fully cooked. So this is the apple pie syrup for the coffee. It's got all the Christmassy, wintry spices. It's very nice for a chilly day. So you can see the syrup's been reduced, hasn't got much liquid left, so we're gonna strain the syrup. We're making a double shot espresso. We're gonna grind 18 grams of coffee beans. So this is the seasoned Burr Grinder. Because we're using a medium roast coffee beans for espresso bialetti, we're gonna use around 8 as the coarseness. So you just unlock it and then pour your coffee beans in. Close it, lock it again, and then just simply press. So we've got some hot milk. We've brought it to a boil. Use a milk frother to froth it up. Froth until it's silky like this. So you want 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons if you like sweeter drinks. And you want to pour your coffee into your mug and then add your froth milk. You can sprinkle some cinnamon to garnish.